Welcome to the Nova Airmada channel, to the usual suspects, and to the newcomers. Today's aircraft is the Azul Brazilian Airlines Airbus A321-251NX airliner that is used for South American national and international service out of Brazil. Stay tuned to learn its ongoing history that takes us nearly all over South America. This aircraft is powered by two CFM International LEAP 1A32 series high bypass turbofans, with each engine able to generate up to 32,160 pounds force or 143 kilonewtons. Each aircraft typically carries around 206 passengers in a two-class layout, but that could be increased to about 240 when needed. This aircraft has a standard cruise speed of 450 knots or 833 kilometers an hour, with a range of around 4,000 nautical miles or 7,400 kilometers with a standard payload. After construction and testing at its assembly site in Hambug, Germany, the aircraft was ferried to its customer via the Cape Verde Islands. This A321-251NX was delivered to Azul Brazilian Airlines on December 20th of 2021, with the initial and current livery being the colorful Brazilian flag special livery. The registration on this aircraft is Papa Romeo-Yankee Juliet Echo. This aircraft serves mostly Brazil, but does fly international routes on occasion. What you're seeing now is a video showing the 1/400 scale Gemini jets version of this aircraft, released in 2023. As you can see here, this particular run of models in 1/400 scale has been the only one produced so far by any manufacturer. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you like my videos helps me get more views, and more views brings in more subscribers. This in turn generates a wider distribution around YouTube, which repeats the process. If you like what you've seen, hit those like buttons and spread the word. We've enjoyed making this video, and we hope you've had fun watching it. Thank you, and good day.